As long as I get a refund, I've won. Because
Mm,
that is so common. That's such a common conversation that we have. I
yeah.
got a refund last year. We nailed it. We had such a great job. Can you speak briefly as well for anyone who hasn't read your book? And again, say I'll plug your book there for you a little bit, Stephen. But can you speak a little bit to that? Why that's such a misconception?
Elliot, I think I mean, couple things that come to mind. One is just basic human psychology. We all love feeling like we won, and somebody sending us money is a good way to feel like we won. Another piece of it is that all of the big tax software companies have a huge incentive to push people towards refunds because it just makes for a more satisfied experience. So every year, when I watch the Super Bowl with my son, I'm on the lookout for H&R Block and TurboTax's commercials, and they focus so heavy on, hey, we can get you a giant refund. And so there are literally millions and millions of dollars being spent on one day of the year and throughout the year to reinforce this belief amongst consumers that I should be solving for a refund. Elliot, as you know, and as we explain in the book, a refund just means you sent the IRS too much money ahead of time. The way I like to think about this is we like to go to Costco. So when I go to Costco and I go shopping for the family, if I buy $300 of stuff from Costco and I give them $1,000 in cash and they give me $700 back as change, I'm not going to leave Costco and brag about how I got $700 in change from Costco. Like everyone would just look at me like, Steven, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. But in a very real way, that's what happens when you brag about a giant refund. All it means is you got the timing wrong. So if it's up to me, if I can wave a magic wand, because it does get a little bit hard to estimate, for me, a perfect situation is that I get a refund of less than $1,000 because I like not having to pay the IRS in April, but they don't need to hold on to my money. And so we have to change our mindset. Refund or payment at tax time does not dictate whether we are getting ahead on tax planning.